Okay, so you're welcome. I just want to demonstrate how we can be able to wire a VFD. So this is just experimental, and so here we start. What I'm doing now is I'm connecting a single phase supply for our VFD, and it will produce 3 phase. And so I'm connecting, adjust the start, and then which is the start, the forward, and the reverse. And the next connection is we need to make sure that also our motor runs at high speed, and also our motor must be able to run at medium speed. And besides that, our motor also needs to run at low speed. And so that's the reason why we're making all these connections. Then at the end of the day, we must be able to short the other ends of our slot push buttons that will be connected to our common. And so a VFD actually helps us run our induction motors at different frequencies, of which at the end of the day it can be applied in so many applications. And so as it is now, like you've seen, I'm just shorting one end, and then it must be able to be connected on the common side. So and afterwards we shall be able to test our induction motor. But note that the parameters have already been set, of which on how to set the parameters I'll be able to show you probably in the next video. And so now I'm connecting my potentiometer, because we need to run our motor in 2 modes, an external mode and also local. In other forms we have local and also remote. And so now the connection is done. So what we are supposed to do now is connect our motor so that we can be able to actually test the running of our motor. Okay, so follow me as we will be able to actually demonstrate this connection. So we needed a top plug for us to safely be able to make this connection. Okay, as you can see, our VFD is actually on, and so in this state it is actually in a local. And so if you noticed, our motor is able to actually run. And in cases where we want to use our potentiometer and also the start push buttons that are here, you'll be able to note that we are going to set our VFD in a different mode, where it will actually allow us be able to run our motor. And so as it is now, it is on external mode. And so once we press our push buttons, and our motor is able to actually run using our potentiometer. And so we are running it in forward, and then we can also be able to run it in reverse. And if we desire, we can also be able to actually show the amount of voltage that actually this motor is consuming, and also be able to know at what frequency it is running. And so using a potentiometer, we can be able to reduce the frequency and also be able to increase the frequency. Thank you so much.